Hey everyone, it's Freddie again with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows computer the easiest and fastest way possible. And to do that, you just got to go ahead and go to your startup items and disable a bunch of things on there you don't really need for the operating system to run. And to get there, super easy, just hold Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. That opens up your task manager. Another way to access this is to right click on your Windows logo and click on Task Manager as well. From here, let's go over to the Startup tab right here. And you see here all these different applications that are set to automatically start when Windows loads. You don't want that. That's going to slow down your computer when you first get into the computer on Windows. So the easiest way to prevent that from slowing you down and speeding up your system is to right click and disable all of these. So we'll do Phone Link, Xbox, Wondershare Studio, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Edge, and I like to keep the Windows security notification icon on. You never know. It's good to see any threats pop up. So we'll keep that there. But if you don't want that, you can just go ahead and disable it as well. It's up to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's how you speed up your computer for Windows. Make it super fast, super easy. And you should be able to do this in like 10 seconds or less. All right. Well, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.